you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a hair review on, I haven't even opened up the bag yet. So I opened it, but I didn't, I think it's Wlily hair. Wlily hair, yes. So it's on Wlily hair is Your Beauty My Duty. If you have looked at my other videos, you have clearly seen that I have done a hair review for them before. This is a completely different wig. This is a lace front. So with this wig, I will be bleaching the knots. I will be plucking. I will be doing all of those good things. But I did want to get on camera and show you guys the wig. Excuse me. Before doing all of those things, so y'all can see a before and an after and all of the things that I do for the video. This is my niece. Her name is Lacefront. Say hey there, Roots. Say hey there, guys. Hey. This is my niece, you guys. So today we will be doing a hair review, right? We will be doing a hair review. We will be doing a hair review. Yeah. So this is the box. I'm not gonna lie, Amazon messed my box up. It was already ripped like this when I received it, but Amazon can be a little bit rough sometimes, but no harm to the hair, hopefully. So the box is really messed up, but no big deal. So when you open up the box, we get 2 wig caps. Say 2. Say 2. Hey, say 2 wig caps. She's not feeling that. So we got 2 wig caps, you guys, to go with the wig. Thank you guys so much for sending me 2 wig caps. We also get some eyelashes. Like I told you guys before, I love eyelashes. They got my eyelashes. She got her eyelashes. Don't play with my best friend. Period. So I got some eyelashes to go with the wig. On them, we got this little note. It says high quality 20 Deepwave 100% human hair. On the back it says how to wash the wig. Detangle the hair gently with your fingers before washing. Put the hair in cool or lukewarm water, which will mild shampoo for 10 minutes. Rinse the hair in clear water 2 to 3 times. Put the clean hair on the dry towel. Use another to suck the moisture. Put it in a ventilation, avoiding the sunshine. Use your fingers or a wide tooth comb to start from end to top, stop by stop. What do you think about that? Yeah? Okay. So, let's get into the wig. So, let's see you guys. Let's see you guys. So, this is a full lace front wig. 13 by 4. Let's take this. Ooh. Okay. So, we got the paper, of course. Got us some little clips on the thing. So, let's take that off. Here is our wig, y'all. Look at that. Look at that. Look at this, y'all. I can't wait to put this on my head. This hair is so soft. When I say soft, y'all, I mean soft. You want to touch it? It's soft, ain't it, Mood? It's soft. You like that? She likes it. She approves. So this is soft, you guys, like super duper 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 soft. I'm thinking about going ahead and putting some highlights in this today while I'm already going to be bleaching the knots. So we're going to see how this hair does with bleach, how it does with shampoo, how it does with conditioner. We're going to see how this wig does, but so far out of the box, this is perfect. This is a perfect wig. Like, I have absolutely no complaints, no shedding, nothing. Like, this is beautiful, and it definitely looks like it's true to length. It definitely looks like it's about 20 inches long. So I am super duper duper excited. So make sure you continue to watch my video as I bleach the knots and maybe put a few highlights in this wig. Toodles. So right here, I am parting the wig to see if I wanted a middle part. And then to make sure like it's in the direct middle of my head before I decided to bleach the knots. So right here, I picked up some mousse and I put it at the top of the wig where my edges and stuff will be at. That way I can pull everything back. I'm combing it back because you don't want to accidentally get bleach onto the actual hair. I mean, unless you want to dye the hair. Then I got some Gots to Blee to make it. I said Gots to Blee. I got some Gots to Be that I spray on there to make it stay in place. So that way, again, I'm not accidentally bleaching the hair. So that's not as strategic as everything else. I just did it just to make sure. This right here is some Flash Lightning bleach that I got from Walmart in a 30 developer. I have never tried this. I wanted to try it for this wig to see how it goes. So right now I'm just unboxing it and put my gloves on so that way I can go ahead and bleach the knots. So as this clip goes on, y'all will see me pour the powder in there, put some developer in there, and then start to mix that up real good. I like mine to be a little bit thicker because when it's loose it gets onto the hair, and that is not quite what I want. So I'm going to pour it so that way it is a little bit thicker, but that's up to you if you want yours thick or thin. So I made mine pretty thick, and then I put it on there, and I honestly let that sit for about 10, 15, maybe 20 minutes until it was a tint, not really light, because I don't like mine to be too light because that's not going to match my skin complexion. So I just let it get to where I wanted it to be. Also, you want to make sure that you turn the wig inside out when doing this, because if not, like I said, you can accidentally get it onto the actual pieces of hair. And as you can see, I started in the middle towards the back because the back part is not really what's going to be seen, and it's probably going to turn the fastest, and it's easier to fix that than it is to fix the front. So I started with the back, and then I let it sit for, like I said, about 20 minutes. So right here you can see that I'm now at the tub and I am rinsing the bleach off after about 20 minutes. And like I said, I like mine to be a tint, not necessarily brown or completely highlighted. So I use warm water. Usually I would use the blue shampoo, but I did not have any of that on this particular day. So I just used some regular shampoo and some regular conditioner, and the hair took with that very, very, very well. As you can see, you don't want to be too harsh with the hair. You just want to run your fingers through it while you're doing it, and then after you get done washing it, then it's okay to brush it. But as far as when you're washing it, you just want to do it with your fingers and run it through. This is a brand new wig, so it's very soft. So when doing this, it should not be much detangling that you may have to do. But again, this is some really, 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 really good hair. So as you can see, I'm just rinsing all of the shampoo out. I did go ahead and just fully wash the wig. So as I said in a previous clip, you can go ahead and brush the hair out after you get done washing it. And I'm showing you guys that I just did a tint. I did not go completely brown. Again, the hair was super soft. It really wasn't much to it. The curl pattern was still super duper great. I decided to go ahead and bleach 2 strings in the front. I don't know if you call that a bang or what, but I decided to bleach that part up there in the front just to give myself a different kind of look and to also see how the hair takes with bleach on the actual hair. I will tell you guys, because this hair was wet, I had to let this sit for about 30 minutes maybe, and it was the color that I wanted it to be, and the hair took super duper 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 good with the bleach, y'all. Like, it was great. So this is after I got done bleaching the part that I wanted to bleach in the front, and as you can see right now, I pulled some hair up in the front and I decided to start plucking. This wig does come pre-plucked, so it didn't take too much plucking, but I did want to pluck it a little bit more. But again, that's up to your discretion, however you like your wig to be. So I'm plucking. I'll probably take some of this out because it's very much repetitive. I'm just gonna be plucking until I decide that I like it. So again, you can just see I'm plucking just to make sure I have that actual hairline, because nobody's hairline is super duper thick. So I did just continue to pluck. So right here, I did put some glue onto my wig cap, and I use cold and warm heat and air, I guess, on that to make sure that it dries well. After I put some glue, I sprayed a little bit of Gots to Be on there again, because I don't want my cap to loosen or anything like that. And then I go in and I add a little bit more glue, and then again a little bit more of Gots to Be. I am very strategic when it comes to my wig cap because I don't want it to look crazy. I kind of want it to actually look like my scalp. Again, up to you on how you want to lay that, and honestly, you don't even have to use a wig cap. I just decided to use one because I don't want no harm done to my edges, if that makes sense. So yeah, so right here I am going in with some makeup to make it blend with my actual scalp. I think this is 338, which is the makeup that I used on my face. Nothing too crazy. I think it's the kind you get from Walmart, if I'm not mistaken. So I go in with that, and then I take a cotton swab and I put a little bit of alcohol on it just to get any extra makeup off of my face. So right here I have grabbed the wig back up, and I'm taking a little bit of makeup and putting it onto the scalp of the wig, because when I did the bleaching, it just wasn't as dark or as light as I wanted it. And again, I wanted to match my makeup on my scalp color. So I go ahead and I put it on my head to make sure it's dead in the middle where I would like it, and then I cut the lace off. After I cut the lace off, I pull it back and I go in with this. This is called glue tube. You can get this at your beauty supply store. And with the glue tube, I go in section by section, and again I dry that on cool air. I take what the fuck is that called? So this is a cotton swab, y'all. I literally forgot the name of this shit, but I go in with cotton swab to spread the glue out. Again, I take like some warm air, not really hot, not necessarily cold, and I go in by section to go ahead and blade that hair down. This probably took about 10-15 minutes, not too long at all. So if you was ever in a rush to get it done, it wouldn't take you long at all. So it didn't really take me long. My niece started crying, so I went in and I picked her up, and we had us a little moment because we missed each other while I was doing my video. She missed me so much, we had to get us a little sugar in. So right here, I went ahead and I laid the edges down on that side, but I did want to show you guys how I do lay my edges. I did just pull out a little bit of hair, cut it up, swoop. No, I'm just playing. I take a little bit of mousse to lay my edges down, and I go in with gel on top of it. I do use Gorilla Snot after I do the mousse little toothbrush, y'all. Nothing fancy. Again, this doesn't take long at all, and your edges is completely up to you. Some people like swoop, some people don't like no edges at all. So again, completely up to you. But me, I like about 4 or 5 little swoops. I feel like that's just what does it for moi. But I hope y'all like it. I really love this wig. It was super duper pretty. It took really well to the bleach. I do spray it, got to be on top of my edges because I really don't want them to move. So I go in with a scarf and I put it on my edges just to go ahead and lay those down. I let the scarf stay on there for about 5-10 minutes. Nothing major, but let that stay on for about 5 to 10 minutes just to get the edges to lay down and dry. You don't have to do that. That was just my choice. Yeah. So after I let my edges lay, I go in with some mousse just to give myself that wet look. This is the Maui mousse. I got it from Walmart. I also use their shampoo and their conditioner. It works really well on curly hair and also natural hair. So you should try it. Then I go in with a paddle brush and just brush the hair out. Again, this hair is fresh out the pack, so it's super soft, no shedding, nothing like that. And right here I'm just styling the hair how I may want to wear it. And yeah, so doing the same thing on the opposite side just to show y'all what my hair looks like with mousse. This is a 20-inch wig. I love it. I hope you guys love it too. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you go down below and like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.